Hi guys, this is Omo and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. This recipe has been requested for so many times in this channel, so I'm going to share it with you. It's called attieke. You can make it with chicken or fish, but today I'm going to show you both way of making it. I'm sure you will love this recipe, so give me a thumbs up now and let's get started. Attieke is a West African couscous made with cassava, and today you can get it almost everywhere. I have my pre-cooked attieke here, which I'm going to remove all the lumps in it. Then I will add some salt. You can also add a bouillon cube if you like. Then add also some oil and mix. So this is already a pre-cooked attieke, so it's very easy to cook. I'm going to heat my steamer, but if you like, you can also make this in a microwave. If you are using a microwave, add a bit of hot water before. I will leave it in my steamer for about 10 minutes or until my couscous is tender and ready. Then remove and reserve. Now, like I said, this recipe can be made with fish or chicken. So if you are using a fish, make some incision on the fish in order to make the frying process very easy. Use the fish you like. It can be carps, tilapia, red snapper, mackerel, and so on. Now add some lemon or lime juice on the fish. Pour everywhere on the fish. Now we are going to make a spicy mix with some paprika, curry powder, ground ginger, black pepper, and a little bit of dry herbs. It can be thyme or rosemary. Then mix this well and add some salt too. We will use this for the fish, for the onion sauce, and also for our hot pepper. Now use this spice to season the fish really well. Keep the remaining spice mix for the onion sauce and the hot pepper sauce. This fish will be so good, guys, with the lime and all these spices. Oh, you are going to love this. Now heat enough oil for all the frying we will do. Add a little bit of sliced onions in it. Then coat the fish with some flour. This will make the fish crispier and it will also prevent it from sticking to the pan. I will then add the fish to the hot water and fry each side until brown and cook. When it's ready, remove and reserve. We can't talk about attieke without adding some fried plantain. This is called Alloco in Ivory Coast. It's also called Loco in Guinea. So peel the plantains and cut them the way you like. You can cut them into cubes or rounds, but don't cut your plantain big for an attieke recipe. Heat the remaining oil and fry the plantains. Fry them until golden brown. Remove and reserve. Now let's make our salad. In a bowl, add your cucumbers, cut into small cubes. Then add the fresh tomatoes, also cut into small cubes. I also love to add some sliced green bell peppers. Also add some onions, cut into cubes. To this, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of fresh lime or lemon juice, I will also add a tablespoon of vinegar. Then add some salt to your own taste and also some black pepper. Mix this well and set aside. Now, if you wish to make your attieke with chicken instead of fish, let's pre-cook the chicken first before frying. This will give you the best result. I have already washed the chicken with salt and vinegar. Now I will add it in a pot with some salt. Then I will add some spices such as black pepper, ground ginger, curry powder, paprika, and a little bit of dry herbs. I will then cover with a cup of water. Add some onion and 1 sliced garlic too. I promise you guys, if you try this fried chicken, it will be your favorite. Add some parsley with a teaspoon of mustard. Cook this until all the liquid is almost absorbed. Stir occasionally to help all the flavors come together. When the chicken is done, stop the cooking. Then heat some oil with a little bit of onions and deep fry the chicken. But don't throw away the remaining bouillon. We will use that for our onion sauce, so keep it aside. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious African recipes. Fry the chicken until brown, remove and reserve. Now we are going to make a delicious onion sauce to serve with our attieke. In a blender or a slicer, add 1 onion, add 4 garlic cloves with some green pepper, add a bunch of parsley with the same amount of fresh basil leaf. You can also use dry basil leaf if you can't get the fresh one. Then slice this well together. I will divide this mixture into 2 and keep some for my hot pepper sauce I will make. So I have here another sliced onion. I will add some of the mixture and keep the remaining mixture. Now heat some oil and add the sliced onion and the onion mixture. Then saute for a minute. Add 1 bouillon cube. This is my homemade bouillon cube. but you can also use any type of bouillon cube you like. If you want to see my recipe on how to make your own bouillon cubes, please let me know in the comment box below. Mix this well and add 2 teaspoons of our spice mix we made in the beginning for the fish. This is smelling so good, guys. All my neighbors are asking what I'm cooking. Stir fry this for a few minutes and add the remaining bouillon we used to pre-cook the chicken. This will give it a nice taste to our sauce. Then add a tablespoon of mustard and mix. To finish, add some salt and mix well. Once the onions are tender and you can see some oil on top of the sauce, it's done. So remove and reserve that. The last thing we are going to make to complete this recipe is a hot but so delicious pepper sauce. In the remaining onion mixture, add the hot peppers you like. You can add more if you like it to be really hot. Mix well. Then put that mixture in a pan or a small pot. Add a little bit of water. Add a tablespoon of tomato paste and the remaining spice mixed with a tablespoon of mustard, and of course you need some oil. Mix this well and add some salt to your own taste. I also added my homemade bouillon cube, but you can add any type of bouillon cube you like. Mix this well, cover and let this cook until all the liquid is almost absorbed. Now that everything is ready, we are going to serve. I have my hot attieke here with the fried plantain. You can add fish or chicken, but I will add both. My family and I love this recipe so much. Add the salad with the onion sauce and the hot pepper sauce. So we are going to enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you go. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.